Good afternoon, welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to do another video walk around. It's a new arrival this time, the Ford Transit Connect. It's the 200 model, it's the 1.6, it's an L1H1 short wheelbase low roof. It's on a 2016. It's come direct out of a leasing company, so it's one owner, full documented service history. It's come with 2 keys as well. Great little vans these. We've got a couple of them in stock at the moment. I'll go around the spec that you get with this one. As you can see at the front, you've got the parking sensors front and back, front fog lights. Also you have your heated screens, reverse camera, Bluetooth setup, and you have the DAB radio. So as you can see in the back, ply lined out. As a working vehicle, it's just had an easy life, as you can see. I mean, really, that's as clean as what you would hope to see. Fire extinguisher for those unexpected moments, and in the front you can see 2-seater this one. We'll have a look at the features it's got. So your reversing camera is up on the rear view mirror. You've got the radio head unit here, which has the parking sensors built into the screen here. I'll pop that on. So as you can see, heated screen. So at the start stop you can turn the parking sensors on and off if you wish. 5-speed, cup holders in operation. You've also got your 12-volt point and USB hook up here, so you can get those phones connected. Great example inside, upholstery, footwells and overhead. Roof lining, all as clean as what you want to see. So I'll go around to the back and just show it from the back doors. It's a lovely example, this one. As I say, it's just going onto the website, new arrival. There is 2 of these in stock. Great stamp of van, one owner, full history, 2 keys. Very good sellers. But just look how clean it is. So again, we'll have a look from the driver's side. So you get the nice upgraded steering wheel with these ones. They're just a lovely van, nice to drive, about as economical as what you can find for a van, and plenty comes with them. Just go onto the website. If you need any further information, just give us a call or send us an email. Speak to myself, Chris or Nick at any time. Thanks for watching today. Cheers, goodbye.